I'm learning a lot about Pokemon.
Oh, yeah. Are you playing Pokemon Go now?
I'm all about. No, I'm not playing it, but the kids are just absolutely racing back.
Oh,
Hey
How
guys,
old are your kids?
Sorry, mate, guys. Sorry, I'm late. Just in time to continue our conversation about Pokemon.
Pokemon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talking about.
Oh, you want to get that, Marty? Or
Oh, that's right. I'll
just railroad the whole meeting?
I'll just call them back. Sorry, guys. I'll call them back. I'll put my phone on silent.
Yeah. Just taking notes, are you, Grace?
yes.
Yeah. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the curtain down, actually, because this is a private meeting. I don't want anyone seeing it inside here.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Great. Awesome.
Come down.
There you go. There.
Yeah. Yeah. So, that project that's coming up with that room that has really challenging acoustics.
Yes.
We really need to think about something to put in there.
Yeah.
I know the customer doesn't have any budget for any paneling or anything like that, so maybe we're gonna have to go down the route of something like digital, like some sort of echo cancellation or sound reflection reduction, or maybe even a bit of noise block.
Imagine if it used AI as well.
Yeah, imagine if it was all used AI and was all run off the product locally that we didn't have to pay a license for or anything like that.
I don't think that exists, does it?
I don't know, it might. We'll have to do some digging.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Maybe we can Google it.
Yeah, cool.
I hope my keyboard typing is not distracting
it's not
anyone.
distracting
Sorry.
at all. Not distracting at all.
So, Pokemon.
Oh yeah, we're talking Pokemon again, aren't we?
Yeah.
So on the weekend, I was learning all about PK. Are you across Pokemon?
I've got 2 kids, and one of my sons is completely obsessed with Pokemon. So yes, I do know Pokemon.
You're all over it.
Sorry, I'm late.
Hey Sean, no problem, Sean.
Of course, so much of 7. So I'm just going to open the curtain because this is a very sensitive meeting. I want to let some sunlight in.
I'm just going to reply to the email.
Yeah. Hey, sorry guys, just got to move my keys. Put them down there.
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry, just quick call. Let me just take this. Yeah, I'll call you back just in a meeting. Okay, thanks. Sorry, guys.
All right. Well, guess we're all ready for that meeting now. So actually, it turns out I did some digging, finding some sort of product or solution that can actually solve that space with terrible acoustics.
Oh, great.
And we're actually using it right now.
You're kidding?
Yeah, it's a 𝗵𝗲 solution, and we've actually got the noise block enabled.
Yeah.
So it covers off sound reflection reduction, so any echoes and things like that in the room.
Yeah.
Any reverb. And
I actually can't hear you over Grace's typing, by the way.
Yeah.
Is that noisy?
Yeah, so we've got that enabled now. So we might, every now and then, we might hear a little bit of it bleed through. So for example, if Grace is talking in front of the noise she's making, so the keyboard, we might hear a little bit of it bleed through. But things like lifts, door slams, phones ringing, nervous tappers, anything like that is going to be gone. Glass walls, not that we've got much in this room, but we do have a little bit of reflective surfaces that will add.
So it helps with reverberation as well.
Yeah. So it uses a microphone array.
What about noisy aircon vents? So noisy HVACs is
the HVAC's been running this whole time. Yeah.
And that is a common problem too.
Yeah.
Noisy HVAC. Yeah, particularly as we're coming into the warmer months as well.
And we definitely have got lift problems here as well. We've got the lift well right up on the other side of this wall, which I've tuned out because I've been here for so long, but you hear the binging every now and then. But that won't bleed through the call as well. But it really makes it distracting if you're on the far end of it, if you're trying to get something out of the meeting. Obviously, everyone in the room is still going to hear the phones going off and things like that. For people in the far end that aren't in the room and have the time to kind of get along with all the funny stuff happening in the room, it really tightens it up for them. And that technology is actually passed through onto our headsets as well. So for all those people on the far end at home, that same noise block technology, acoustic fence, is blocking things out like dogs barking, kids screaming, especially around school holiday time. That neighbor that's always just mowing his lawn in the middle of the day, hasn't got anything better to do. You have really poor acoustics in your work from home space too. So that will transacrates across the whole 𝗵𝗲 portfolio.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Thanks for coming by today, Grace and Marty. It's been great to have you here. And we're looking forward to doing a lot more videos like this with you guys.
Absolutely. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Thanks for having me, Sean. Thanks, Paul.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thanks, Paul.